Can you still enjoy a tax-free status in the UAE's evolving corporate tax environment? Despite the new tax regime, it's still possible to enjoy a 0% corporate tax under certain circumstances. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Tax Master UAE, your go-to source for financial tips and tricks. Whether you are a free zone entrepreneur, or a small business owner, or an individual not engaged in business activities, there are some strategic ways to stay tax free. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insights and updates. So let's get it started. Number one strategy is leveraging UAE's zero personal income tax policies. So the UAE, since UAE does not impose personal income tax on individuals' earnings, such as salary, wages, personal investment income, or real estate investment income. This means residents can retain 100% of their earning without any tax deduction. However, to take the advantage of this policy, you need to obtain a UAE residency, which can be achieved through employment, property investment, setting up a business, or acquiring a freelance visa. Also, you should ensure that UAE remains your primary tax residency and avoid exceeding residency threshold in another countries, which is often 183 days. That could trigger global income tax to tax obligation elsewhere. The second strategy is setting up your business in the UAE free zones. UAE has over 45 free zones, which are designated areas offering a significant tax incentives, including zero corporate tax, full foreign ownership, no import or export duties, and no personal income tax for the employees. So, qualifying free zone persons or companies can benefit from a preferential 0% corporate tax on their income from qualifying activities and the transactions. However, they are not entitled to enjoy a 0% tax rate on its first 375,000 dirham of taxable income that is not qualifying income. The third strategy is that setting up optimized business structures. So setting up a holding company in the UAE free zone can help manage investment, intellectual property or subsidiaries, providing tax efficiency and the protections. And using these UAE entities as holding company for international subsidiaries can benefit you from UAE zero tax environment on the dividend and the capital gain from these entities. The fourth strategy is investment strategy. So investing in UAE real estate allow you to earn rental income and capitalize on property value appreciation without any capital gain taxes. Also, investment in stocks, bond, mutual funds, or any other financial instruments are not subject to capital gain taxes, which will allow for growth and reinvestment without any tax erosion. Not only that, trading and investing in cryptocurrencies remains tax-free for the individuals, which will allow you to cash out gain without incurring any tax liabilities. The fifth strategy is indirect taxes and VAT management. Since UAE has introduced VAT in 2018, which will be imposed at the rate of 5% on most of the goods and services. Since VAT is applicable on the consumption basis, it does not impact personal or business income tax. And any company whose annual taxable supplies and imports exceed 375,000 dirham can register for VAT, and which will allow them to reclaim the VAT on eligible expenses, which will reduce overall cost. Some sectors such as healthcare, education, certain residential real estate transactions are zero rated or exempt from the VAT, providing opportunity to minimize tax liabilities. The sixth one is offshore banking and investment. So utilizing offshore banks account helps diversify holdings, providing international access and offering privacy for your funds. The UAE's banking system supports multi-currency accounts and international transactions. And leveraging UAE-based entities for international investment and income management can benefit you from zero tax on foreign dividend, interest, and the capital gain. The last and not the least is utilizing double taxation avoidance agreement (DTAA). So UAE has signed over 115 DTAAs with the countries around the world, which can help you prevent double taxation on income, profit, and the capital gains. This will be particularly beneficial for expatriates and the business with cross-border transactions. And using DTAA to can benefit you from reduced withholding tax rate on the dividend, interest, and royalties, and also ensure international investment are structured through UA entity for maximum tax efficiency. With only this strategy cannot help you to avoid corporate tax in the UAE. There are certain responsibilities or obligations that you need to fulfill to enjoy the 0% tax obligation. Number one is economic substance regulation (ESR). So certain business engaged in relevant activities, example banking, insurance, holding company, intellectual properties, and others. Are these companies are required to demonstrate substantial economic activities in the UAE, including adequate staffing, physical office presences, and operational expenditure. And non-compliance with ESR can result in heavy penalty. However, it does not impose any tax directly. And meeting these requirements ensures that business remains compliant while enjoying the UAE tax benefits. Other responsibility is that you should maintain your UAE residency status. So you should ensure that you do not spend more than 183 days outside the UAE so that you can maintain your residency and benefit from its tax-free environment. Also be mindful of residency requirement in another jurisdictions, especially if you have worldwide tax system that could impose taxes on your global incomes. And also this last and not the least is that anti-money laundering (AML) and its compliance requirement. So business must comply with UAE anti-money laundering regulations, including customer due diligence, record keeping, and reporting suspicious transactions. Also implementing robust KYC procedure to verify the identity of the client and the business partners. And this is particularly important for financial services, real estate, and gold business and other high-risk sectors. So after implementing all these strategies and fulfilling all these requirements, you can enjoy a 0% corporate tax in the UAE, even though there are some companies who, without knowing this, they have to pay 9% corporate taxes. So at last, thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and share. And also please write in the comment section any topic of corporate tax, VAT, IFRS. If you want to learn, I will try to make a video on that. Thank you so much.